Hello, Aiden. I want to show you how to share your computer screen with me so I can see what you are doing on your computer and I can help you and guide you. So first thing I'm going to do is go down to screen share. See that? It's on the bottom there. Just watch and I'll show you. Okay. So there's screen share. And then I have many different windows of things I have open. I'm going to go to the one that has Zoom. And I'm going to click that. And then I'm going to go down here to share. And there I am. And I'm on the screen share. And I want to open a new tab. So I'm going to go up here. And there's a new tab right here. I don't want to click on that because that will close something. That X means close. So don't close that. Go to the don't hit the X. Go to the plus. So watch the teacher. Watch the teacher and I'm going to put in Schoology, but I have it bookmarked on my computer. So I'm going log into Schoology. And it logs in automatically. And then I'm going to courses, English with Lubecki. All right, and so now I can share my screen and you can see everything I'm doing. And I can go to open up adjectives. So I open adjectives here. And look, I can download the top-notch song right here. And there it is. It's coming. Yay! And I'm going to scroll down. Look at that. Top-notch. Tell me about your family. I want to print it. So I will go up here to print. I click that. And I'm getting a print. There it is. I'm going to print it. And it has my copier. If I don't have it, I can choose a different copier, but that's my home copier. And I want black and white and just one copy. And I'm going to go down to here and print and oops, I didn't turn on my printer. So now I have my own copy. And that's how you do screen share. All right.